Welcome once again. This is a circuit that is typical R and C, resistance and capacitance. Previously it was inductor and resistance, now it is resistance and capacitance. So resistance of 500 ohm, it is measured by voltmeter, which is 120 volt, and across capacitor V2, which is measured as 160 volt. Now the question is that what is the power drawn by the circuit, that is power taken by the mains. So in this case, first of all, since resistance and capacitance are in series, so same current will flow through resistance and capacitance. So I 500 ohm, that is current through 500 ohm, will be 120 by 500, that is equals to 0.25 0.24 amps. So you can do 240 by 1000. So 240 by 1000 will give you 0.24 amps. Now we can write V equals to root over V1 square plus V2 square, because V1 is in a V1 and V2 mutually they are perpendicular, so it can be realized it is in vector form. So 120 square plus 160 square, that is 200 volt. This is the volt. Now next is power. What is power? I square into R, since the circuit is in series. So what is I? I is how much? 120 by 500 is 0.24. So 0.24 into 0.24 into resistance is 500. So how will we do this calculation? 24 into 24 is 576. That means 0.0576 into 500. So how will you do this calculation faster without calculator? You multiply 5000 with 2 and divide by 2. So we can write 1000 divided by 2 into 0.0576. So you can write 57.6 divided by 2. So it is 28.8 watt. Thank you, students. Welcome, students. Today we will do some problems from AC, that is alternating current. Here is a circuit, as you can see. A 5 amp current is moving, is flowing through a resistor of 1 ohm, accompanied with a cell of 15 volt and an inductor of 5 millihenry. And the current is moving from A to B. So what is VB minus VA? That is voltage potential at V minus potential at A. So the current is moving from cell A, from A point A to 15 volt, and then from 15 volt to B it is moving. So let us see. First of all, we need to do Kirchhoff voltage equation. VA minus VB equals to I into R, that is current into resistance minus cell, EMF of the cell, then L into di dt, that is inductance into di dt, that is the voltage. We studied in Lenz's law. So I into R is 5 into 1, that is 5 minus 15, because it is moving, it is flowing at the negative point, and then L into di dt plus L into di dt, where di dt is given as negative of 10 cube ampere per second. That means current is decreasing with respect to time. Okay, when current is decreasing with respect to time, it is minus 10 cube. If it is increasing, then it would have been plus 10 cube. Okay, fine. IR minus E plus L into di dt. So 5 into 1 minus 15 plus 5 into minus 10 cube into 10 to the minus 3, because it is 5 millihenries there. So 5 minus 15 minus 5. So minus 15 volt is VA minus VB. But we need to find VB minus VA. So just the reversal. That means VB minus VA equal to minus of VA minus VB. So it is equal to 15 volt. Thank you, students.